Hello, this is Matteo from Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox the Honor 10. The device launched on May 15th, 2018 here in London, and today we're going to unbox the device and see what's in there. So, plain white cardboard packaging with a bit of textured finish on it, an embossed 10 and Honor logo on the front of the box, and the usual seals and logos where you'd expect them to be. Now, packaging is a bit sticky, in the sense that the sticker is very well put on. We're avoiding that, taking one off. It really should grow my nails, or not. So here we have it, box opening, boom. So the Honor is front and center of the device. Some nice wrapping on it, stickers, and you can already see the shine of the Honor 10 coming through the plastic wrapping. Let's take this off and see what's underneath. Ooh, the shiny. This is the Phantom Blue Honor 10. So there you have it, stickers off. As much as I'd like to keep the back protected, it's lovely and shiny. Even that with that single touch, you can see there's been some fingerprint smudges, but that is beautiful and shiny. And the front of the device. Let's switch that on as we look into the other devices here. So there we have it. Notch, top and center. According to George Zhao from Honor, it's smaller and better than the iPhone X's notch. And there we have the device booting. Again, I'm going to keep the screen protector on this, but it does have a few smudges on it already, but that's to be expected. And there we have it, the Honor View 10 out of the box. Obviously, AI camera logo is important in this context because that's one of the key features of the Honor 10 and MUI 8.1 is the AI capabilities that have been applied to the camera. And in the box we have a European charger. In this case, this is a review device. The UK model will have a UK plug, USB Type-C cable, and in here we have the SIM ejector tool as well as a transparent case for the Honor 10. So I'll set this up and give you a video of first impressions of the Honor 10. Oh, it's quite a fingerprint magnet. That's me just picking the device up. But beautiful back when seen with reflections. Definitely worthwhile just for the back. And that's all. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, and maybe even give this video a like if you like the shininess of the Honor 10. Thanks everyone.